Assalamu alaikum. So today we will make two containers in Docker. Container means two machines, or you can say two computers inside the computers. One will be the server side machine and another container will be for client side. We will communicate. We will send requests from client to server and get the data or message. So let's start. First of all, start the terminal. If you have not installed Docker, then do install it. I will just make two containers and communicate between them for networking. So first we will check that container are running or not. So let's check our if they are already have containers. So we have this command sudo docker so there are no container. We have not created any container, so now we will create containers. So for this I will go to join as root. So for root, this is the command. Now I am logged in as root. So we will create our first container. So docker run name, this will be my container name. So I named it as container. I will make it for client. This will be the machine for client and IT Ubuntu. The operating system will it work on Ubuntu. So let's enter container client ID. So our container has been made. Now let's check. Exit it. Now make another container. So docker run name container and server for server machine and same as Ubuntu. So this is the ID of the container, or you can say ID of the machine, and this is the another ID. So exit it also. Now to check how many container we have made. So I am in the root, therefore I don't want to add sudo command because I am also a super user. If you did not join as root, then you have to type sudo before every command. Now let's check our containers. So here our container has been made. This is the ID, this is the container name, server container, and this is the another container client. So two machines have been made. Now let's communicate between them. So to go into the container, first you have to start the container. So this is the command to start the container, docker start, and this is the container name. So write it here, container server. So this is started. Now you have to execute, which is the command of sudo exec and it. It will be the now it. I forgot the. Oh yes. So container server to execute the container and bash. Let's try. Now container has been executed. Now let's check the files inside the container. So these are the files. You can consider as this is the another machine. This is another computer, fresh computer having these files, and this machine is empty. So you have to, this machine is empty. If you type any command here, if I say if config, it is used for checking the IP. If config, So command not found. Why? Because this machine is empty. I have not installed any application here. This is the fresh software operating system here. So let's exit, and if I log in as my admin, if I type ifconfig, now it works. Why? It gives me the IP address. So it works because in this Ubuntu I have installed this application package. So now we will make a Python file in that container. So we have to execute it again. Sudo docker exec it bash, which was the name, container client bash, container name and bash, error, container client bash. What happened? Oh yes, because I haven't started. So first you have to start that container. This is the biggest mistake every time I do. So first I start it. Now you have to run it, execute it. Now docker exec it container bash. Now it executed. Now let's check it out. Now we have to make this is the client machine. I have to make a Python file, python.file, to communicate with the server machine. So nano, and I name it as client file .py. So here nano command is not found because I haven't installed nano in this operating system, in this machine. So I have to install the nano. First update it, get update. So first update, then I will install the nano in this machine because this is a fresh machine, nothing installed here, fresh computer I mean. Now installing. Let's wait a second. Come on. My net is very slow. So let's pause it for a second. I will pause this video.